This one's for the hard workers, the early risers, the go-getters, to the ones who know honest work is the best work. You've poured your blood, sweat, and tears into your work, and that's something to be proud of. When looking for a location for your business, you should look for the ones that work as hard as you do. A location with a history of hard workers and commitment, ones that work with you and for you. At Imperial Industrial Park, we have several spaces available in a variety of sizes. You'll find that it's the perfect blend of history, beauty, power, and industry, making it almost as unique as you. 550,000 square feet of mixed-use space, located on the Saranac River in Plattsburgh, New York, just 60 miles from Montreal, Imperial is perfectly positioned for both domestic and international business. Need some office space? We've got it. Looking for small warehousing? No problem. In need of something bigger? Well, I thought you'd never ask. Imperial has space ranging in size from 100 square feet to 100,000 square feet. With highly flexible short and long-term leases available, you can rest assured that Imperial has what you're looking for. There's even direct on-site connection to mainline railways. And with our low electrical rates and high power supply, you and your business can keep doing what you do best. This one's for the workers. We know the hard work it takes to grow your business, and we're all in this together. Imperial Industrial Park, where work matters.